beeping. All right, bear with me guys. This is a little behind the scenes on how to fly the drone. It's a little windy out here, as you can tell. So this is a Mavic 2 Zoom, which I bought, which has this zoom lens on it, which is awesome because then you don't really have to be so close with the drone. So I'll just take you guys for a little ride along and show you how I drove and drive. So let's go ahead and hop in the old lady right here. And then you guys get to go on a little scenic journey with me on a bird's eye view of what these roads look like. I've been driving out here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's unbelievable how beautiful these canyons are. So it only made sense to get a drone. Here's a little behind the scenes on how to drone and drive. As you can see, my little drone's laying out there. So once you're in the app, all you're gonna do is you do this. You actually have to hover, hit record, and hit hover. It'll take off in place. It's windy out, but it'll still work. See it? Yeah, I know. Quit beeping. Full lock. So fly backwards. Take her up. So let's take it those two SRP vehicles pulled out of there, I seriously thought I was in trouble. I was like, dang, they're coming out here with a vengeance, like pulling out of there like maniacs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the views and hanging out with me and my little drone right here. So let's land this puppy because it's getting dark. And there you have it. Drone landed.